Rewrite the equation in slope-intercept form. Our equation is given to us in point slope form. Y plus 2 equals negative 3/4 times x minus 6. Slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. So we want to convert it from this form to that form. Essentially, we want to get y by itself. First thing I want to do, though, is I want to distribute this slope, negative 3/4, inside of this parenthesis. So I'm going to leave the y plus 2 to come down here, and let's multiply this negative 3/4 to the x and the minus 6. First one's easy. Negative 3/4 times x is negative 3/4 x. Now, we have a minus and a minus. Two wrongs make a right. Well, not really, but in math they do. And we have addition here. Now, 3 times 6, talk about the numerators here, 3 times 6 is going to be an 18. And then 4, remember this is 6 over 1, 4 times 1 is a 4. Now we can simplify that fraction there a little bit, so let's do that. Y plus 2 equals negative 3/4. X plus 18 over 4 is 9/2. We now have to subtract 2 to both sides of the equation, get y by itself. I'm going to subtract 2, and I'm going to put it with its like term. Even though it's a fraction, there's still numbers, minus 2. 2's cancel, and y goes by itself down here. Negative 3/4, x comes down, and now we have 9/2 minus 2. How can I rewrite that as a fraction? I'm going to leave it like this, plus 9/2 minus 2. And this 2, I want to rewrite to have the same denominator. So 2 is the same as 4 over 2. Like that. So now, common denominator, we can subtract it easy. I'll write it up here. So we have y equals a negative 3/4 x plus 9/2 minus 4/2, that's going to be a 5/2. And notice it's in point or slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. So there we have it. We took our equation y plus 2 equals negative 3/4 times x minus 6 and rewrote that same exact equation now in slope-intercept form, which is y equals negative 3/4 x plus 5/2.